Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is very interesting, amazing and stylish at the same time, because in this video you are going to get very beautiful, amazing, stylish and trendy designer style face mask, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, fabric painting ideas. And the main purpose to design the whole collection is to give you some beautiful, trendy and eye-catchy ideas, not only how to design your face masks, but at the same time you can use these very beautiful hand embroidery floral patterns to design your girls fashionable accessories as well, like your glasses covers, like your mobile bags, like your accessory designing and many more different types of items. Like you can also use these very beautiful design ideas of floral embroidery to make customized orders on your customers demands. This is a very creative video for the ones who are new business holders. They have their own small startups, so for small startups it is very best idea and very cheap and very unique and easy, and you can utilize your all of creativity. So all of these are organic, handmade, purely washable, reusable, and I hope that you would like these design ideas. If you really like my today's patterns, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and on my channel you can get very beautiful, stylish and trendy ideas of women fashion, different types of dress designing, baby dress designing, hand art like hand embroidery, wool embroidery, applique work, fabric painting, crochet designing, home decor, many more design ideas of mehndi designing, jewelry designs, original gemstones, beauty tips, girls fashionable accessories, baby knitting pattern design ideas, western dress designing, turkey style dresses, Arabic dress designing, and many more creative things related to the women fashion. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and please make a habit of sharing my videos massively with your friends and family, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So thank you so much for watching.